Have you ever wondered how some people manage to live a luxurious life on a tight budget? Well, you're not alone. Welcome to our journey into the frugal and fabulous lifestyle, a world where quality meets affordability in the most surprising ways. In this video, we'll explore this lifestyle, shedding light on how to make every penny count while still living a life of elegance and style. We'll debunk some of the myths surrounding frugal living, show you how to be a frugal fashionista, and even delve into becoming a budget gourmet. We promise it's not as daunting as it sounds. With practical examples and real advice, we'll show you that being frugal doesn't mean you have to compromise on the fabulous. So are you ready to rewrite your budget rulebook? To discover a life that's rich in experiences, not just possessions? Stick around to uncover the secrets of living frugally, yet fabulously. Many misconceptions surround the frugal lifestyle. Let's debunk them. One of the most prevalent myths is that frugal living is synonymous with being cheap. This couldn't be further from the truth. Living frugally is not about pinching every penny until it screams. It's about making smart, value-based decisions. Take, for instance, the idea of value. A cheap person may buy the least expensive item every time, but a frugal person understands that sometimes paying a bit more for quality can save money in the long run. It's not about always choosing the cheapest option, but the option that offers the best value for your money. Another common myth is that frugality means denying yourself of all pleasures. It's not about self-deprivation, it's about prioritizing. It's about choosing where to spend and where to save, based on what is truly important to you. It's about creating a lifestyle that allows for enjoyment, while also building a secure financial future. Living frugally doesn't mean you can't enjoy a dinner out or a new outfit. It's about making those choices intentionally, knowing when it's worth it and when it's not. It's about understanding the difference between needs and wants, and making decisions that align with your long-term goals. So frugality isn't about depriving oneself, but about living smart. Meet Sarah, a fashion enthusiast who's mastered the art of looking fabulous on a budget. Sarah is a woman who's truly passionate about fashion. But here's the twist. She doesn't splurge on high-end brands or the latest runway trends. Instead, she has honed her skills in the art of frugal fashion. And let me tell you, she is proof that you don't have to spend a fortune to look $1 million. Sarah's first secret? Thrift stores. She believes that fashion is not about price tags, but about expressing your unique style. She spends her weekends exploring local thrift stores, hunting for hidden gems. From vintage dresses to chic blazers, Sarah finds unique pieces that often cost less than a cup of coffee. And she doesn't just buy, she gives back too, donating clothes she no longer wears. The second trick up Sarah's sleeve is clothes swapping. She regularly organizes swap parties with her friends. Everyone brings items they no longer need, and they swap. It's a fun way to refresh your wardrobe without spending a dime. Plus, it's a great excuse for a get-together with friends. But Sarah's most innovative strategy is repurposing. She breathes new life into old items. A pair of scissors, some fabric glue, and Sarah's creativity can transform an outdated dress into a trendy skirt or a stylish top. She once turned a worn-out denim jacket into a fashionable tote bag. It's all about seeing potential in what others might consider waste. Sarah's story is inspiring. She shows us that fashion is more than what we wear, it's how we wear it. She has embraced the idea of a sustainable and affordable fashion lifestyle, one that reflects her personality and values. And the best part, Sarah is not only saving money, but also contributing to a more sustainable world by reducing waste and promoting recycling. It's a win-win. Sarah proves that you can be a fashionista without breaking the bank. Now let's dive into the world of gourmet cooking with our home chef, Lisa. When it comes to crafting exquisite meals, Lisa is a virtuoso. But what's even more impressive is how she simplifies gourmet cooking without breaking the bank. How does she do it, you ask? Well, let's delve into her story. Lisa's journey into the culinary world began with her love for fresh, seasonal produce. She discovered that not only are these ingredients at their peak in flavor, but they're also often less expensive than out-of-season alternatives. Lisa's tip? Hit up your local farmer's market, or even consider growing your own herbs and vegetables. It's the perfect blend of freshness and frugality. Next, Lisa has a knack for reducing waste. She believes in using every part of an ingredient, transforming overlooked bits into mouth-watering masterpieces. For instance, she'll roast chicken bones to make a rich homemade stock, or turn vegetable scraps into a hearty soup. These clever tricks not only reduce waste, but also stretch her food budget further. And let's not forget Lisa's culinary passport. She loves exploring international cuisines, which often introduce her to budget-friendly ingredients and techniques. One day she might whip up a vibrant Thai curry using affordable pantry staples. The next, she could be making a traditional Italian pasta dish with just a few simple ingredients. This culinary exploration is a testament to Lisa's creativity and shows that gourmet cooking isn't limited to expensive ingredients or complicated techniques. In essence, Lisa's approach is all about embracing creativity, making the most of what you have, and enjoying the process. It's not about the price tag on your ingredients, but the love and effort you pour into each dish. That's the true essence of gourmet cooking. Lisa's culinary adventures show that gourmet doesn't always mean expensive. So the next time you're in the kitchen, remember Lisa's tips. And who knows, you might just uncover your inner gourmet chef. Scene script. Ready to start your own frugal and fabulous journey? Here are some tips to get you started. First off, let's talk about budgeting. It's the cornerstone of any frugal lifestyle. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Knowing where your money is going is half the battle. Once you have a handle on that, start making a plan. Allocate funds for necessities, savings, and a little bit for fun. Remember, being frugal doesn't mean denying yourself all pleasures. It's about being smart with your money. Next, prioritize needs over wants. It sounds simple, but it's a mindset shift that can take some time. When you're considering a purchase, ask yourself, do I really need this, or do I just want it? If it's a want, consider if there are cheaper alternatives or if you can wait for a sale. Now on to DIY projects. Not only can they save you money, but they can also be a lot of fun. From home decor to clothing alterations, there's a wealth of resources out there to help you get started on your DIY journey. And the best part? You get to create something that's uniquely yours. Lastly, let's talk about smart shopping. This goes beyond just looking for sales and deals. It's about being a conscious consumer. Before you buy something, consider its cost per use. A higher-priced item that lasts longer or gets used more often can actually be a better value than a cheaper one that wears out quickly or barely gets used. And don't forget about second-hand shopping. Thrift stores and online marketplaces can be treasure troves of lightly used, high-quality items at a fraction of the retail price. Remember, the key to a frugal and fabulous lifestyle is to maximize value, not minimize cost. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. So, go forth and embrace your new frugal and fabulous lifestyle. You've got this. Living a frugal and fabulous lifestyle is possible, and you have the power to make it happen. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself but making smarter choices. From being a frugal fashionista to becoming a budget gourmet, the possibilities are limitless. And with our handy tips and tricks, you're well on your way to a life that's both savvy and stylish. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about living a frugal and fabulous lifestyle, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.